This is how to make a beautiful gown for a baby girl using 1 yard or 1.5 yard depending on the size you want to make. So the first thing you want to do is to fold your fabric into four. Mark the basic bodice, which is from the shoulder to the under bust or to the waist. Then you want to mark a line outward like this, at least times two of the under bust circumference measurement. Then after that, the second step should be longer than the first step which you make, and doing the same thing, the third step will be longer than the second step, because this is a gypsy gown. After that, you can mark the full length, then you cut it out. Once you cut it out, then you go on to do the gypsy. Then you have your gown and done. After making the gathers will have will give you that gypsy form. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Follow this page or subscribe to this channel to see more interesting videos like this. Before I go, let me share with you this application you should have as a fashion designer. Every fashion designer should have this application on their device, and this application is called Stylebit. With this application, you can save your customers' measurements on your device, which means you never lose your customers' measurements even if you change your phone or change your device. You can save orders to keep track of how well your business is doing. You can send invoice to your customers to remind them about any pending payment you are yet to receive from them. You get notified before any other overdue so that you won't disappoint your customers. You even get access to a free fashion designer community where you can ask questions if you need any help. I'll leave a link in the comment section and also in the description box to download the Stylebit application. So just go to the comment section or the description, then you click on the link and you have the application. If you're seeing this video on Instagram or on TikTok, please go to my bio to see the link to download Stylebit.